esteemed teachers, proud parents, and dear students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. I, Hannah Kuchi,
And I'm Samya Hussain, welcome you all to the first ever convocation ceremony of the graduates of 18th class of our beloved students. It is a moment of immense pride and joy for all of us. A milestone that marks not only the achievements of our beloved students, but also the legacy we are building together as an institution.
today is more than a ceremony for our students. It's a tribute to their hard work, the lessons they have learned, and the dreams they have been building for the last 3 years. It's also a moment of pride for our parents and the teachers, as we witness the blooming of our young minds and hearts that will shape their future.
Today's convocation is not a traditional one.